Dive into the future of hassle-free pool maintenance. Imagine spending more time enjoying your crystal-clear pool and less time cleaning. Today, we unveil the 10 best robot vacuum pool cleaners that promise to transform your pool experience. Say goodbye to tedious chores and hello to the ultimate poolside relaxation. Keeping your pool clean shouldn't be a struggle, and that's where this Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max makes a difference. Unlike most pool cleaners that only handle floors and walls, this one does it all, including skimming the surface, removing floating debris like leaves, pollen, and insects before they sink. Powered by 9 brushless motors, it delivers unmatched suction strength, an industry-leading 8,500 gallons per hour, making it the world's most powerful pool cleaner. Smart ultrasonic sensors map out the best cleaning path, adjusting as needed to ensure nothing is missed. Its cordless design makes operation effortless, and with a single tap on the app, you can control settings, switch modes, or track performance in real time. Need extended cleaning? The battery lasts up to 10 hours on the surface and 5 hours on the floor. Maneuverability is another standout feature, allowing it to navigate obstacles, climb stairs, and clean walls with precision. Different cleaning modes let you choose between efficiency and power, depending on your needs. Plus, retrieving it is as easy as tapping a button in the app. Wireless charging means no drying time. Just dock it and let it charge for the next session. Its floating Hydrocom Pro device provides real-time control, status updates, and live underwater monitoring, so you always stay informed about your pool's condition. Automatic updates ensure it stays optimized without extra effort. Designed for all types of pools, it's built to last, with rigorous testing ensuring durability over the years. A true hands-free solution for maintaining a spotless pool. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Say hello to the Dolphin Explorer E70. With always connected Wi-Fi, schedule cleanings from anywhere, ensuring a pristine pool no matter where you are. Transporting and storing your Dolphin is a breeze with the universal caddy, keeping the cable organized and the robot easily maneuverable around your pool area. Equipped with powerful wall climbing capabilities, the Dolphin scrubs floors, walls, and water lines with precision, leaving no pool shape or surface type untouched. Thanks to the Dolphin's PowerStream technology, enjoy an exceptionally clean pool surface, creating a constant grip as it moves vertically up the wall. For an ultimate clean, think Dolphin E70. Less work, more enjoyment. Next up, we have the Polaris VRX IQ+, the genius in robotic pool cleaners. Witness a brilliantly clean pool with strategic cleaning powered by smart cycle functionality. The VRX IQ+ learns your pool, calculating the most efficient cleaning time while making automatic adjustments. The iAqualink app offers full control, letting you monitor the cleaning status, check the water temperature, and even perform spot cleaning. But that's not all. Its patented Easy Lift removal system makes taking the cleaner out a breeze, and the Easy Clean filter canisters ensure you never touch debris again. Roll it effortlessly with the premium caddy, and let the tangle-reducing swivel keep every corner reachable. This isn't just a cleaner, it's an intelligent pool companion, providing a smarter way to enjoy a sparkling clean pool. Looking for a stress-free way to keep your pool crystal clear? Say hello to the Dolphin Liberty 300. This amazing robotic pool vacuum cleaner is here to make your life easier. With its cordless design and innovative cleaning technology, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to effortless pool cleaning. With its simple inductive charging, featuring magnetic connect, you get a walk-away charging experience. The powerful lithium-ion battery provides 90 minutes of efficient cleaning, leaving your pool remarkably clean. Utilize the ClickUp Pool Removal feature after the cleaning cycle for hassle-free removal, and watch the Dolphin self-park at the nearest wall. The Liberty 300's impressive wall climbing capability ensures both pool floor and walls are scrubbed for the ultimate clean. Dive into more pool enjoyment while doing less work with the Liberty 300. Power up your pool cleaning routine with the P1 Max, where innovation meets efficiency. Boasting a 40% plus faster ultrasonic mapping, this robotic pool cleaner covers an impressive 1937 square feet in just 90 minutes per charge, thanks to its advanced 9800 mAh battery. Experience hassle-free pool maintenance, as this automatically returns to its charging station when the battery runs low, ensuring a hands-free recharging process. With 3 powerful brushes and 2 PVC roller brushes, this cleaner tackles stains, debris, and even deep cleaning with ease. Its enhanced suction capabilities, powered by a robust 120-watt motor, efficiently remove stubborn leaves and gravel, leaving your pool pristine. The P1 Max doesn't just clean, it revolutionizes your pool maintenance experience. No more tangled cords, as here comes the cordless solution, the Wybot Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, your sleek and efficient pool cleaning companion. Powered by a built-in battery, this nimble cleaner scrubs pool surfaces with ease, eliminating the risk of cord-related accidents. Charging in just 3 to 4 hours, it's ready to go, effortlessly picking up dust, sand, and leaves with its dual motor power and 180 micrometers fine filter. The smart navigation tech ensures it automatically reverses upon encountering walls and heads to the shore when the battery is low. Weighing only 7.9 pounds, it's comfortable to move, and with a compact design, it's easy to handle and store. Enjoy the freedom of cordless cleaning with the Wybot Robotic Pool Cleaner. Step into the era of effortless pool cleaning with the Intex ZX300, the ultimate pressure-side automatic floor cleaner for above-ground pools. Connect it to the inlet fitting and watch 700 gallons per hour of powerful water suction come to life, leaving your pool spotless. Designed for Intex and other pools up to 26 feet in diameter or 36 feet by 12-foot rectangular pools, the ZX300 ensures no debris is left behind. With dual dirt scrubbers and a large capacity tray, it tackles even the finest dirt up to the waterline. Enjoy superior cleaning performance with water-powered all-wheel drive, making wall climbing a breeze. Set it up in minutes, let it do its magic, and experience safety, quality, and value with Intex ZX300. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your pool? Just leave it to Scavbots, the robotic pool cleaner that takes care of everything for you. With its cutting-edge technology and unmatched efficiency, it will leave your pool sparkling clean and ready to dive into. It has an impressive runtime of up to 6 hours, and compatibility with all pool types. It guarantees a splash of pristine beauty. Powered by a patented flow channel design, it boasts 1200 Pascal suction strength and a high flow rate of 4,800 gallons per hour for unparalleled cleaning prowess. With intelligent path planning, the guesswork is out, ensuring every inch is meticulously cleaned. With Scavbot's smart app, Control Pool Cleaner, get notifications, check your battery, and enjoy efficient pool maintenance. If you're looking to take your pool maintenance to the next level, the Maytronics Dolphin Liberty 400 might just be the perfect solution for you. Its Eco Mode ensures efficient floor cleaning cycles throughout the week, while the versatile Cycle Selector lets you decide on floor only or a comprehensive cleaning including walls and waterline. Seamlessly connected via the My Dolphin Plus app, take control and set up cleaning programs effortlessly. With powerful active scrubbing and superior filtration, it offers reliability and service. Dive into the future of pool cleaning with the Dolphin Liberty 400, saving energy and water and delivering unmatched performance for your aquatic haven. So, that concludes our list of 10 best pool robot vacuum pool cleaners you should buy. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.